Welcome to Touring Globe. Here are money-saving hacks for your travels. Travel doesn't need to be expensive. Whether you're planning a weekend getaway, backpacking across countries, or going on a solo adventure, these tried and tested hacks will help you save money at every step of your journey, before you go, during your trip, and even after you come back. Before you travel. 1. Plan early, book smart. The earlier you plan, the more chances you have to catch deals. Flights and accommodation prices often rise as the departure date nears. Use apps like Hopper to track flight prices and alert you when it's cheapest to buy. 2. Clear your cookies or use incognito mode. Many booking sites track your visits and raise prices the more you look. Use incognito mode or clear your cookies before booking flights or hotels to avoid being overcharged. 3. Be flexible with dates and destinations. If you're not fixed on a specific location or time, you can save a lot. Search everywhere on Skyscanner or use Google Flights calendar view to find the cheapest days to fly. 4. Sign up for travel deals newsletters. Websites like Scott's Cheap Flights, Secret Flying, or Jack's Flight Club offer newsletters with real-time flight deals and airfares, sometimes up to 80% off. 5. Set fare alerts. Set alerts on platforms like Kayak or Momondo to track when flight prices drop. This is especially helpful if you have a specific destination in mind. 6. Book connecting flights separately. Sometimes booking legs of your journey individually, rather than as one route, can be cheaper. Just make sure you leave enough time between connections. Packing and preparation hacks. 7. Pack light and smart. Most budget airlines charge for checked luggage. Travel with only a carry-on, and pack multi-purpose clothes, like items you can mix and match. Use packing cubes to stay organized and compress clothes. 8. Bring a collapsible water bottle. Refill it after airport security. Saves money and reduces plastic waste. In some countries, you may need a water purifier or filter straw. 9. Carry snacks for transit. Airport snacks are expensive. Pack granola bars, nuts, or dried fruit trip. It'll hold you over until you find affordable meals at your destination. 10. Don't forget essentials. Overseas, basic items like chargers, toiletries, or sunscreen may cost double. Create a checklist and pack wisely to avoid buying things you already own. Accommodation hacks. 11. Look beyond hotels. Try hostels, great for solo travelers, guest houses, vacation rentals, like Airbnb or Vrbo. Couchsurfing for free stays with locals. Work exchanges, e.g. Worldpackers or Workaway, house-sitting gigs that offer free accommodation in return for taking care of someone's home and pets. 12. Stay just outside tourist zones. Hotels in the city center are often overpriced. Stay a little further out and use public transport. It can save you a lot, especially in major cities. 13. Stay longer, pay less. Many rentals offer discounts for weekly or monthly stays. Consider slowing down your travel to enjoy more and spend less. Food and drink hacks. 14. Eat like a local. Avoid tourist restaurants. Eat where the locals do. Street food, markets, and family-run spots are usually cheaper and more authentic. 15. Cook your own meals. Book a place with a kitchen or hostel access. Shop at local grocery stores and markets. Even just making breakfast and one meal a day can save a fortune. 16. Free breakfast? Take advantage. Hotels or hostels offer free breakfast. Help you cut one meal from your budget. Bring a small container to take a snack for later. 17. Avoid airport and hotel bottled water. Always bring a refillable bottle. Some countries have safe tap water. In places where it's not safe, buy larger water jugs and refill. Transportation hacks. 18. Use public transport. Skip taxis and ride shares. Buses, trains, and subways are not only cheaper but also give you true local experience. 19. Rent bikes or walk. Explore cities by foot or rent a bicycle. It's cheaper, healthier, and helps you discover hidden gems you'd miss by car or bus. 20. Overnight travel. Save money on a night's accommodation by taking overnight buses or trains. You'll wake up in a new place and your wallet will thank you. 21. Get city transport cards. Many major cities offer transport cards or passes that include unlimited travel and sometimes discounts on attractions. Check before you go. Tech and communication hacks. 22. Use free Wi-Fi wisely. Download offline maps, Google Maps or Maps.me, guides, and translators. Use Wi-Fi at cafes, hotels, and airports to avoid roaming fees. 23. Get a local SIM card or eSIM. Roaming charges can be a budget killer. Buy a local SIM card on arrival or use eSIM apps like Airalo or Holafly to stay connected. Sightseeing and activities. 24. Free walking tours. Almost every major city offers free tip-based walking tours led by locals. It's a fun way to learn history and culture without spending a lot. 25. Check for free museum days. Many museums and galleries offer free entry on certain days or times. Do your research and plan accordingly. 26. Buy attraction passes. If you're visiting multiple attractions, city passes like CityPass or GeoCity often provide significant discounts and priority access. 27. Use student or youth discounts. If you're a student or under 26, carry your ID or an international student card, ISIC. Many places offer discounts for young travelers. Money hacks. 28. Avoid currency exchange at airports. Rates at airports are terrible. Use ATMs at your destination or exchange small amounts at trusted banks or bureaus in town. 29. Use no-fee credit, debit cards. Get travel-friendly cards that don't charge foreign transaction or ATM fees. Examples: Revolut, Wise, or Charles Schwab debit card. 30. Carry both cash and card. In some countries, cash is still king. Always have a backup card and some emergency cash in case of outages or scams. Bonus travel mindset hacks. 31. Travel slower. Rushing between cities costs more. Staying longer in one place means cheaper rates, deeper experiences, and fewer transportation expenses. 32. Avoid tourist traps. Do your research. Attractions with long lines and high prices may not be worth it. Explore local neighborhoods, nature spots, and hidden gems instead. 33. Follow local influencers or blogs. Local travel bloggers often share free or cheap spots that big guides miss. Follow Instagram or YouTube accounts based in your destination. 34. Travel insurance saves you in the long run. It might seem like an extra expense, but it can save you thousands if something goes wrong. Medical emergencies, lost luggage, or canceled flights happen. Final tip: track your spending. Use apps like Trail Wallet, Travel Spend, or just a notebook to track every dollar. Seeing where your money goes helps you adjust and avoid overspending. Travel doesn't have to be expensive, it just has to be intentional. Be flexible, do your research, and follow these hacks to stretch your budget while still enjoying every moment of the journey. Thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe. See you in the next video.